Hey guys, Christine here of sidestreetdesign. Today I am back with another card share. This one I'm going to make a little lovebird kitty cat theme card. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a piece of heavyweight watercolor paper and I have cut it down to 6.5 by 4.5 to go on my 7 by 5 card. I've got out some Distress Oxides here. I'm going to go ahead and just have a little play and color in with. I want the cats, because the way the cats are situated, they could be sitting on a windowsill, but I'm going to have them sitting on a wall with the moon and a little bit of a night sky, and then I have a sentiment to add at the end. So here we go. Okay guys, so I've got my background done, and as you can see, that was a real quick, simple background just using my Distress Oxides. It's super cute, and the card I have it to go on later on is going to be this one, and then I'm going to edge this in gold as well. So now comes the stamping part, and since what I'll be using is actually going to be a combination of a silicone and a red rubber stamp. So first I'm going to use my rubber stamp, so I have my rubber side up. I'm going to get my card put in. I forgot to wipe that off last time. So I'm going to make sure I get my card put in here. And I want to make sure the cats are sitting right on the edge of that. So their tails are hanging down. I'm actually going to do it this way first just to see if I'm right. Okay. I'm going to have them right there. The two little cat lovebirds. I'm going to get out my black Archival ink. Just making a mess everywhere. I'm going to get it stamped up very well. Okay, give it our first run. Let's see how it does on with the Distress Oxides and everything else. That's sweet. I want to get a little bit more ink on there. Because this paper is very textured, it might take a few goes. Getting closer. There we go. Just a little bit more. I want them pretty dark. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, I want to add a sentiment from this polymer set. And the sentiment says, I'll spend all 9 of my lives with you. And I think I'm trying to decide if I want to stamp it right on there, if I want to put it on a piece of paper down here. I think it looks cuter up there. So I think I'm just going to go with it. Now I do need to turn this around for my polymer. Whoop. There we go. Forgot to put this guy back down, so let me just make sure this is nice and even and still where I want it. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and add that sentiment, and be careful not to stamp down too hard, because with the polymer, it will, the more pressure you put on it, the more it smudges. We'll leave it at that. So one press, fingers crossed. That's super cute. Putting my stamp back so I know where it goes for next time. Let's see, is that all I want on there? I think so. I don't know why, but I keep wanting to put something on the brick, but I think if I do, I'm going to overdo it. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to get it onto my card. Grab my double-sided tape. Scissors. Oops. Apologize for the loudness. And if you hear the wash going in the background. There we go. So now, how I'm going to do this is I want to open this up so I can actually see it's even. just like that. And now I do want to take that gold marker one more time. And just bring some more of that nice gold in. This paint marker is just a simple gold marker I found in the craft section at Walmart. And it's come just in super handy for me. I used it a lot during the holidays, but it does have a very strong smell, so just make sure you have a ceiling fan going if you're using your paint pens, or a window open. And there we have just a sweet, cute I Spent All 9 of My Lives With You. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. You'll stay up to date on all my latest releases, and I'll be back crafting and card making with you soon.